Hey everybody, Davey here from At Home. Today I'm going to give you my 1 week review of the TBI Pro Bug Zapper. So I keep hearing the same thing all around the country on all my social feeds is everybody is getting beat up this year. They're just getting bit, and it's mostly no-see-ums. There's a lot of mosquitoes this year. We were getting absolutely fed up in the house. You seem like you wake up every day and you're just getting chewed up to heck here. So what we did is I went out and bought a new bug zapper. I got the TBI Pro. I did a lot of Amazon reviews, and this one happened to be really highly rated, but I'm gonna give you my 1 week review. So far, love it. Best investment I've made in a long time. They retail for just about 39 bucks, but it's a really cool little system. There's something about these zapping of these bugs that brings me back to my childhood. Something refreshing, heck, I don't know. It's probably a weird, morbid thing, but really cool. Anyhow, I hang this guy right above our back door there, and we just watch it zap all night long. The guys get in there, they get trapped, and they just get zapped. They fall down to the bottom. Very easy, just a standard bug zapper, but a lot of the reviews I said, a lot of people weren't getting zaps. This thing is filling up. I'm actually emptying this tray about every 2 days, and it's filling up. That's to say we got a lot of bugs. Of course, I got a lot of dogs, and with dogs comes a lot of the dog waste, which brings in flies. But this dude fills up pretty fast, and it's not just flies, but all kinds of no-see-ums are filling up. So with that 1 week review, I'm gonna open it up. I dumped this thing yesterday. This is today's catch, I guess, if you will. Let's take a little look. It's got a great little catch bin right on the bottom there. And as you can see, that's all filled with dried bugs of all kinds of sorts there. You see how they're fried up little wings? There's one dude that's still alive there. But one cool feature is it comes with a little attractant. That little guy right there, that attracts the mosquitoes. That brings them into the zapper, and they get zapped. They sure do. But you just mount that guy back on there, dump it out, mount it, hang it. Comes with your standard plug. Very easy to use. You plug it in. I usually turn it on right before I realize the sun's going down, unplug it in the morning before I start work. Dump it every day, every other day. But as you can see, that was in 1 day's catch. That's pretty impressive for something that's been going for a whole week here already. Love this thing. They're about 39 bucks. There's a link down below. Check them out if you like. But if you're getting beat up like we are, just getting bit to heck, your ankles are all beat up, it's worth a check out, but they're pretty fun. I appreciate y'all checking in and checking out my 1 week review of the TBI Pro Bug Zapper. Do me a favor, hit the like button down below and subscribe to At Home with Davey up in that right-hand corner. See y'all soon.